Hi everybody, how are you? So today is Monday and I am sharing with you my last podcast from 2019. And I have already started working with new ones for 2020. They will go out every other Monday. I cannot commit myself with more than this for now, and you can hear them at Castbox or my blog for now also. I will be featuring them on iTunes, I hope soon. And the first one, I believe it will be one of the interviews I have been doing with a person that I'm sure you know, among other fun things. I believe this is kind of a snack. It's 3 to 5 minutes and it's audio, so you can still do other things while listening to it. And the most important thing of all, it's something I enjoy doing, and it's something I will keep doing for you, and it's free. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you can hear the new ones also. Have fun!
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody, how was your weekend? Ready for another week full of ideas? Well, I'll leave you one more for you to have fun during the week. The event for this week is the Monaco Grand Prix in Monte Carlo. So if you like car races, this is an iconic event you should attend. The sound itself must be mind-blowing for those who like this type of events. Now, race cars can be a very exciting project. Not just Formula One cars, there are a lot of other auto races. The monster trucks, for instance. You can even make a project based on the cartoons from the 60s called Wacky Races. They were so funny, always cheating to try to get a first place. On the tips and tricks section, this week I want to talk about the use of color. This will be my personal opinion on the subject, and with this I want to highlight that it does not mean that you must or should change the way you work. Instead, it's just a reflection, one point of view. What I mean with this is that sometimes the overuse of color can transform a pyrography work into a painting. Instead of highlighting some areas, you lose the burning completely. From my point of view and my personal taste, they can both be combined. The use of color can add drama, interest, light, and motion to a burning if used properly. I personally apply white color pencil to highlight some areas in most of my work. I've seen red over lips or a dress or any other color, and it makes wonders. The trick is the balance. If you are able to use image editing software or maybe make a photocopy of your work, you can test color before applying it. This will save you time and headaches. Today, to end this Pyrocast, I have a new sentence for you that you already know, probably. That is Carpe Diem, usually translated as seize the day. With this, I want to tell you to enjoy the present, because that's what it is, a present. Do what you love. Wish you all a great day and a wonderful week. See you next Monday.
Funtastic Mondays.